How to add similar fractions. Adding similar fractions is very easy if you follow the rules. This day, we're going to talk about addition of similar fractions. Just remember that in adding similar fractions, we have 3 steps to follow. First is add the numerators. Second, copy the common denominator. And third, you have to simplify or write the answer in lowest terms if necessary. Alright? Like for example, we have 5/9 plus 1/9. So we're going to add these two fractions. These fractions are similar fractions because they have the same denominators. So the denominator of 5/9 is 9 and the denominator of the second fraction which is 1/9 is also 9. Kaya siya tinatawag na similar fractions. Kasi nga similar fractions are those fractions with the same denominators. Okay, so 5/9 plus 1/9. The first thing to do is to add the numerators. The numerator of the first fraction is 5 and the numerator of the second fraction is 1. Now, add 5 plus 1. And then, the second step is copy the common denominator. Denominator of the first fraction is 9 and denominator of the second fraction is 9. Kukopyahin lang natin yan. Yan. Kaya, 5 plus 1 equals 6 and then copy the common denominator which is 9. So our answer is 6, 9. And the third step, we have to simplify or write the answer in lowest terms if necessary. Now, tatanungin ko kayo, is it necessary or is it important that we have to simplify or write this answer in lowest terms? Yes. Why? Because our answer is in the higher term. 6/9 is in the higher term. Bakit siya nagiging higher term? Kasi nga, both numerator and denominator are composite numbers. Pag sinasabing composite numbers, they are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Okay, pag-uusapan natin. Our numerator is 6 and our denominator is 9. Now, what are the factors of 6? Alright. So, 6 is equal to 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. So, there are 4 factors. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, so 9 is equal to 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So both the numerator and the denominator ay parehong composite numbers. Bakit? Kasi nga, ang kanilang factors ay more than 2. Now, ano ang gagawin natin? Ano ang pinakamalaking factor ng 6 na makikita natin sa 9? Yun ang kanilang greatest common factor. 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2 and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Therefore, the answer is 2/3. So 2/3 is the simplest form of fraction. This is the sum of 5/9 and 1/9. So again, how to add similar fractions? First is add the numerators. Second, copy the common denominator. And third, simplify or write the answer in lowest terms if necessary.